Alright, so this is my lawnmower. It's a Craftsman. I've never seen this feature before. This is what you do to clean it with. I already ran it just to make sure it works. I'm gonna run it again though, so you can see it, because it's a pretty messy little deal. And I just mowed the whole backyard. So it's a pretty substantially, it's a pretty good sized backyard. I just thought this was a really cool idea to put on a lawnmower. And we just turn the hose on. And here's where it gets weird. You're actually supposed to run it. I'm gonna tilt it up. Just give her a crank.